back to my channel. On today's video I'm gonna show you what I bought for Black Friday. I know that Black Friday was more than 1 week, but I placed some orders online and for some of them I'm still waiting, but I said I will no longer wait because I have some other plans and some other videos to film. So I will start with whatever I have already received, and I will show you in the end what I still need to receive from the online stores. So without any other further ado, let's get started. From Sephora, I've bought a couple of products. First, I've got the Referral, their cream gel brow pomade. It's in the shade 02, and I have worn it already a couple of times. I really enjoy it, and I'm using also the brush that is coming with. I don't need to grab for another brush because this is really small and it fits perfectly in the small container on the small jar. So I like this Referral from Benefit. Also from Benefit I bought their professional pearl primer. I've got not long time ago a sample from Look Fantastic when I have placed an order, and I was really satisfied with the level of filling of my pores. So I was thinking to buy the full size. Then I realized that I have too many primers that I need to use, so I decided to get the mini version. So I will have, if I need to have more flawless complexion, I will use this primer alongside with the Laura Mercier foundation primer. About I did a review. I will link that video down below. So yeah, if I need to have more flawless skin, I will just use those primers and my skin will look perfectly. I will have no shine and no pores. When I went to the Chanel event on Sephora, I've bought one of their lipsticks. It's called Rouge Allure Velvet Extreme in shade 118, and it's a peachy nude. I like the packaging. It's that kind of tab that you press on this part and it will open like this. So it's really fancy, and it is really peachy, rosy, neutral shade. I think I worn it a couple of times. I really enjoy this color. It's very comfortable and it lasts a long time on my lips. The last stuff from Sephora, I bought the Sephora Beauty Trends box. It's part of their Sephora favorite collections. On my local Sephora they had 3 or 4 boxes. One was with skincare. It was, if I'm not wrong, the Korean skincare. One of these was with some other mini that you have to try, but I wasn't so interested because there was some 1 or 2 samples of mascara, and I have already too many mini mascara that I need to use. It was this one, and I think one more, which also I don't remember. If I will find them still available, I will put them on the description. So this was the most excited for me because I wanted to try the Too Faced matte primer, and also there are 2 Fenty Beauty products coming with the presentation of a beauty box. You see, you have inside the products. So I have here the Flash Patch Hydrating Lip Gels. So place the lip gel onto clean lip for 5 minutes or longer if desired. Discard after use and massage any remaining serum in and around the lip area. I suppose there are 2 patches. 1 patch. Ah, okay. So I didn't use this, so I don't know what to tell about this, but I will keep you updated. We have a Fenty Beauty liner. It is that brush It's in the shade black. Oh, and it's really pigmented and easy to. My box is flipping out. So yeah, this is the liner, and also the Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil. I never had a Makeup Forever eye pencil before, so I'm really excited to try this. This I didn't open, so let's do it now. You know that I'm famous on opening packages, so hold on with me. And here goes my nail polish. Okay, so it's brown, dimensional dark brown. Yeah. So I swatch it below the lipstick from Chanel. I think in camera you will see that it's black, but it's dark brown. So I like it, it's really creamy. Yeah, I really enjoy this. For sure, I will enjoy it. We have a Sephora lipstick, matte. So this is really red. Yeah, it's really pretty. Okay, on camera it looks more pink, but it's really red, true red, with some blue undertone. So I think I will really enjoy this lipstick. It is really good for winter and for Christmas time. But this kind of red shade, you can use it any time of the year. I don't have this color in my collection, and I'm really excited to get one now. We have one Brazilian Bam Bam cream from Janeiro. This is in travel size. It's 0.84 fluid ounces or 25 ml. So it's Sol de Janeiro, yeah. Sol de Janeiro, Brazilian Bam Bam cream. Too Faced is Prime and Peachy Cooling Matte Skin Perfection Primer, infused with peach extract and sweet fig cream. And we do have here, how many milliliters? 5 ml or 0.16 fluid ounces, so not much product, but it's good if you want to try to see if you like it or not. We have a lipstick from Fenty Beauty, Candy Venom is the shade. It's really red, but comparing with the Sephora, it's a different kind of red. So this is the Fenty Beauty one. I'm really happy to have a Fenty Beauty lipstick in my collection, because I have one of her eyeshadow palettes and I really enjoy it. And last item from this box is the Huda Beauty lip strobe. Okay, it's lip gloss. I will apply it on my lipstick, but it's really going with my lip look for today, with my lip shades. So this is the Huda Beauty swatch. It's a purpley shimmery shade and is in shade Fearless Metallic Lip Gloss. It's comfortable and really creamy, so I really enjoy it. I think this can also be worn alone. I cannot tell that because I have already lipsticks. I have already lipstick, but while I apply it, I see that there is a lot of pigmentation on it. So yeah, I'm really excited for this Sephora Favorites Beauty Trends box. I have 8 really cool items just for me to try. Orders that I placed online. I just received today this Juvia's Play, the Masquerade Mini. I have this order from Beauty Bay and I have another order that I'm waiting for. I'm not really happy about the Beauty Bay services because this order I placed in 1 week before actually Black Friday. and they took, because they have already sales, and they took 1 week just to ship my order. So my order came 2 weeks later after I placed it. So like 2 weeks and 2 days. And the other order that I placed on the weekend with the Black Friday, it was dispatched today. 9 days later, they decided that I should be delivered the order. So I think this website has a really problem with dispatching, and I'm not sure if I will continue to order from them. But returning to our eyeshadow palette, it's really nice. Actually, I did a look today using those shades. So I already opened it. I like that it's coming in this bubble wrap. So it arrived in perfect conditions, and the packaging is really pretty. You have here those 3 pictures that you have on all their palettes. And I really love the eyeshadows, the schema that they have placed here. And also you have the shades name here. So while you are working with, you can refer to what shades you have used. And this is how these shades are swatching. On the upper row we have Chi, Molly, which is a green shimmery shade, Dahlia, which is a blue shimmery, and Zola, which is more teal. Then the next row we have the purple called Makeda, or matte purple shade called Zodo. Then Calabar, which is a shimmery burgundy shade, and Bori, which is a pink, a very bright pink. And on the bottom row we have the more neutral shades. We have the lightest shimmery shade called Giza, then the matte shade Burkina, Cairo and Ada, and then we have Dahlia, Zulu, Casablanca and Fulani. So today I use for this look on my crease Ada, Zulu for my transition, and on my lid I use this shimmery shade called Casablanca. On my inner corner I use this Giza, and on the lower lash area I use this purplish shade and smudged underneath with Burkina. One thing, it doesn't have a mirror, but this is not a problem for me. However, I enjoy how that you have the shades name underneath. So also it came with this plastic, so you can cover the shades so they are not spread. So yeah, I really enjoy this palette, and I will create many eyeshadow looks with it. I'm looking forward to do this. I had in this order from Beauty Bay. There are the Ardell Professional Individual Starter Kit. So there are individual lashes, and you have also a pair of tweezers and 2 adhesive. One lash adhesive and 1 remover. And also I've got a pair of Ardell Professional Wispies. So those were also discounted 30%. I have one more thing to show you that I bought online from Beauty Bay, and this is the BH Cosmetics Eye Essential 7-piece brush set. I'm really happy with the brushes that I've got from BH Cosmetics for their face brushes. So I said that I will try now their eye brushes. 101 is blending brush. Yeah, so this is 101. 102 is the large shader brush. Also, this is not the concealer, it's just the shader brush. But you can use it for the concealer, nobody will stop you. 103 is the small shader brush. So 103. Yeah, I like this. I really love this kind of brushes. This is their angle liner brush, I suppose. What number is this? 107. Small angle brush, yeah. 106 is their fine liner brush. So you can use it as a liner, or if you want you can use it underneath your lower lash area. 104 angle blending brush. I really love this kind of brushes because I have some hooded portion here, and for me it's really difficult to blend the shadow on this crease, on this corner, so I enjoy using this kind of brushes. I have another one from, I believe from Beauty Bay. I have it from many years, so I think this is kind of similar. Yeah, it's from Beauty Bay, this one. They don't have it anymore. 105 is their pencil brush. And now I'm going to show you what I ordered, and it didn't arrive yet because I will not wait one more week to film this video. I've bought the Blank Canvas Cosmetics E08 Flat Eye Brush, a Sigma Beauty E25 Blending Brush, a Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in shade Venice, another Blank Canvas Cosmetics brush. This is the face brush. It's in number F37. It is their multi-purpose blusher face brush. A BH Cosmetics Brush V5 Vegan Blending Brush. And a Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer in shade Light Ivory. So this is everything I bought for Black Friday. Please let me know below in your comments what you bought for Black Friday, what good deals you've had, and what else. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to enter my giveaway that I have open internationally. I will link down below the video. You can enter until 18th of December. Okay, I'm looking forward to see you on my next video. Bye bye!